Hi, Johnny Shannon here from Geospatial Insight with a little update to the last model that we were looking at, where we were automatically creating an output file name. Now, there may be a time when the user isn't perfect and they might want to try and create their own directory. So here in the dialog box, that directory exists, but this one doesn't. So if we try running the model, and it'll go through, but we get an error on the output. And that's because that directory doesn't exist. Okay, well, we can change that a little bit to check to see whether there's a directory that exists or not. And in order to do that, we want to use the path exists file operator. And so we can hook the directory input up to that, and then we can run that. And no, that directory doesn't exist. So what we can do is put an if-else statement in here and say that's the test, that's failing at the moment, but if it was true, then the directory would exist, so we'd want to use that. And if it wasn't true, then we'd want to create a directory that had that name. And put that in there. And then hook that up to the output. And now, if we try to run this model, and let's make sure that that directory doesn't exist by creating a new one, then we can click OK, and it runs through, and there we go. The file's created properly because it's realized that path didn't exist, so it's created an output directory, and that's where the output file will be placed. There we go. Nice little add-on to the NDVI model. Cheers for now.